All right, today I have a Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights on this Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to turn them on, so you have the hazards, whatever you want to call them, hazards, hazard flashers, emergency lights, whatever. I'm going to show you how to turn them on. But before we get started, if you found my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? Appreciate it. All right, so let's go over it. So I'm in the vehicle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look to the right side. And do you see this right here? This button right here, this button is for the hazard lights, also called the flashers or the hazards flashers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply press this. Now this is a triangle within a triangle within a triangle, and it's pointing up. This is a universal symbol for hazard lights, flashers. I'm going to press it and look right there. On the instrument panel, the left and right blinkers are blinking just like that, okay? They are blinking, indicating the hazard lights are on. Now to turn them off, I'm simply going to come back over here, press this button again, and look at that. It is off. All right. That is how you turn on and off the hazard flashers, the hazards, the lights. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.